How to delete Deliveroo account. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your Deliveroo account. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So for this you don't have to use the Deliveroo app. Instead you have to use a browser and go to their website to delete your account. So open up any browser on your device and then search for deliveroo.co.uk. You have to search for this exact website, and then once you're on the Deliveroo website you have to tap on menu and then tap on sign up or login. If you want to sign in through Facebook you can tap here, or with Google you can tap here, or if you want to sign in with email you can tap here. So I'm gonna sign in with email. And if you also want to sign in with email you have to enter here your email, and after entering your email tap on continue, and then you can tap on type password and enter here your password and tap on login. And if it asks you to open with Deliveroo app or browser you have to select browser. And then once you are signed in you have to tap on menu here in the top right side, and then here you have to tap on your account, and in your account details you have to scroll down, and here you will see permanently deactivate your account. So now here you have to enter here your Deliveroo password. Then after entering tap on continue, and if you are sure and you still want to delete your account just tap on deactivate. Now just refresh your browser and you will be logged out and your account will be deactivated. And so this is how you can delete your Deliveroo account. Thanks for watching.